Okay, build healthy habits. First, set goals, make routines, and lastly, track progress. Okay, we're gonna talk about setting goals. The first thing, you gotta start simple. So don't try to completely change your life in one day. And make a habit of working out for only 30 minutes a day and build off that. And then set SMART goals. What's SMART goals? It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. So I'm going to give you some examples, like decrease body fat by 3% and increase muscle by 2% in 6 months. Stay accountable. Well, according to the Fitness Industry Association, after 12 weeks, most people have quit or stopped attending the gym. Accountability works because it involves placing a certain amount of pressure on yourself. For example, you can sign up for yoga class, book a training sessions with Minsoo, or you can meet up with friends for a walk or run. That's that simple, right? Okay, now let's talk about make routines. How to make routines. It's simple as commit to 30 days. This is important, you gotta keep it for 30 days. Let's make it a daily routine. Start simple always. And figure out when you can constantly work out. Consistently. Okay, so the most important thing is also be flexible. Your plans could change. So that happens like deadlines at work, family obligations, and travel plans can all get in the way of a scheduled workout, right? So then what happened? Well, don't be too hard on yourself. Stumbles and failures are going to happen, it's just a life. You can prepare a backup plan. When that happens, maybe you plan to work out in the morning, but you can't not do it for some reasons, then your backup plan is to work out at lunch, or even it can be your after work. Alright, well, another important thing to make a routines is make it fun. Start with activities you can enjoy doing it. Yes, it's important, guys. It doesn't matter what kind of workout you do as long as you can enjoy doing it and keep doing it. So don't force yourself to do things you hate doing and give activities a fair shot before writing them off for good. So sometimes you don't realize how much you enjoy the workout, so just give it a try. And maybe you found your best favorite workouts, right? Okay, so let's be prepared to make your workout routines. You gotta remind yourself every day. So place reminder to act on your new habit each day. In my case, I set up my calendar and it reminds me every 30 minutes before the day. Alright, so get ready for tomorrow. This is another good things to do. Like you can fold your workout clothes and put out your shoes the night before. So put them right next to you when you wake up. That's exactly what you gotta do first. And set it as a real appointment in your calendar. This is important. This is a really important appointment between you and yourself. So keep it always. Okay, lastly, we're gonna know how to track the progress. This is important to build healthy habits. So to do it, the first thing is to write a workout journal. What is a workout journal? And it's a response to keep a workout journal. We're gonna talk about it. This is actually helping you to stay motivated and consistent. And also, this writing a workout journal keeps you focused during your workouts. Workout journal entry. So how to start writing your workout journal? You can simply write down your date and how long you spend in the gym and your body part work done, for example, like lower body, upper body, or legs and shoulders, back. It's whatever you're working on, the body part. And names of exercise, you want to know what exercise you did. It could be deadlift, squats, or push-ups, any kinds. You can just say jumping jack or jump ropes. And then you also write down the sets and reps and weight lifted. If you have any weights on your hands, then you gotta write down as well. So here's my sample of workout journal. Okay, well, nowadays there are so many apps you can actually use wisely, so it can be a huge benefit to help you see your progress in a way that looking in the mirror won't show you. So I like the seeing myself in the mirror, but looking at the exact number can also really help you. The goal is to keep that track record, whether it's on calendar or in an app. You just gotta keep recording, right? Okay, another tracking progress is take before and after pictures. This is very important. Don't miss that. So take a weekly mirror photo every Friday before breakfast. So it's important that you keep the same day and then before the same time. So before breakfast would be a good time. What you gotta do is you gotta take the front and your side and the back of yourself. Make sure to wear the same clothes. So I would prefer something that you can see your body, like show your body skin the most. So underwear or like swimsuit would be good. And write your body weight on the pictures. So this is my kind of motivational pictures before and after. You see my on the left side, it was 2010, and after, it's a little after I start working out. So you also want to put the weights on the pictures. Alright, and take a simple fitness test. It's also another way to track the progress. Every 2 weeks, 2 to 4 weeks, test your fitness level by performing these 3 different exercises. So 1 week might be too short, and 2 weeks I think it's a good time of period. And do as many of these bodyweight exercises that I'm going to teach you as you can do in 30 seconds. Very simple. Everybody knows squats, push-ups, and sit-ups. If you don't know, then I'm gonna still show you the picture of myself. So this is squats. You see how I'm doing on the right side? Yes. Make sure your back flat, chest up, and get down low, and your knees do not pass your toes. This is squats and push-ups. And right now I'm doing full push-ups, which is I go all the way down. If it's not your options, then it's okay for you to just put your knees down and then do the same thing. And the third one is sit-ups. So I like to put my legs up. It's like tabletop positions, and you do go up and down just like the pictures.